Hi friends, welcome to Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. Let us gain knowledge on testing concepts. Please subscribe to the channel. Friends, let us gain knowledge on test environment setup. In STLC, it is the fourth phase. After completing of test case development, test environment setup is initiated. Generally, it is done by the test team. Sometimes development team or customers provide the test environment. Because of this, the test environment setup phase can start parallel with the test case design phase. As part of test case development, when testers are developing test cases, test data and tests, the developers or the customers can set up the environment. The test environment setup is done based on the hardware and software requirements. There will be some necessary hardware components. We should assemble the necessary hardware components as per the architectural plan or as per the test environment plan and invoke necessary softwares is called as test environment setup. So for example, if you take the hybrid setup box environment, if you need a hybrid setup box with a power supply to it, and we need one output sources TV or a monitor and one HDMI cable. Here the HDMI cable, TV and power supply and router are the hardware components. If you take any application, we need one system, one laptop with 4 GB RAM. Our necessary softwares had to be installed in that system to test that our test application. Meanwhile, the test team should prepare the smoke test cases to check the readiness of the given test environment. After setting up the test environment, smoke test cases are run. So, to decide whether the application is testable or not, whether the application is stable or not, and also to confirm our test environment. Every phase will have entry and exit criteria. The entry criteria of this phase is test plan, smoke test cases, and test data. Coming to the deliverables, it is test environment and smoke test results are considered to be the deliverables or exit criteria of this test environment setup phase. Friends, please click on subscribe button to support our channel Abhey, and also please click on like button and share this video to your friends who are eager to gain knowledge on testing concepts. Friends, I heartfully thank you for your valuable support to our Abhey, a YouTube testing tutorial channel. I hope it will continue forever.